At Acrylic Arts Academy, we welcome total beginners to join us. We are confident that the educational content we'll provide to you will help kickstart your creative journey with acrylic paint. Here are some tips for brand new painters that will encourage you to get started. Tip number 1, let your paint dry between layers. It's easy to keep working when you're having fun, but did you know that you should stop and let your paint dry between layers? Taking the time to let your paint dry will allow for bolder color within your artwork. If you continue to work on top of wet paint, your color will mix together and look muddy instead of bright. Tip number 2, change your water. While you're letting your artwork dry, it's good practice to change the water your brushes are cleaned with. Dirty paint water will dull the brightness of your colors. Tip number 3, step back from your work periodically. Step back a few feet from the painting you're working on. The new perspective will help you see things that may need improvement. This simple step will help you understand how your artwork reads from a distance. Tip number 4, don't give up. While learning something new, give yourself a break. No one is perfect at painting when they first start. Give yourself the room to learn techniques over time, and delight in your process along the way. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a creative friend who may need it. Begin your acrylic painting journey with us. acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides